pending Supreme Court petition that we filed. And malamang ang tanong nyo is ano yung laman ng answer. So I can only talk about it in broad strokes. We don't want to discuss the details, no? But the answer sets forth basically the defenses of the Vice President, as well as, of course, yung mga nakikita nating constitutional infirmities, procedural defects, and what we feel na substantively deficient yung mga allegations laban sa ating Vice Presidente. Sa ngayon po, humingi rin ako ng paumanhin sa inyo, sa mga networks, lalo na hindi po muna kami magpapaunlak ng mga interviews until such time as pre-trial trial begins, no? Kasi we also want to respect the Senate, and according to the rules, the impeachment rules of the Senate, in fact, under paragraph 18, pinagbabawalan po ang mga parties na to discuss yung merits ng kaso publicly. So kami naman po ay susunod lang po kami at magpapaunlak naman po kami lalo na sa trial. In fact, si Attorney Binluan and si Attorney Narvasa will be helping me with spokesperson duties, no, para po lahat mapagbigyan. At from day to day, magpapaunlak naman kami ng interview para po maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan kung ano yung mga nagaganap sa bawat araw-araw ng trial. But sa ngayon po, talagang, I guess, pasensya na po talaga, hindi muna kami magpapa-interview, no? Whether it be print or sa networks.
Pero ano po yung prayer ng kampo ni Vicky Sara sa Senate impeachment?
Well, of course, first and foremost, ang gusto natin ay sana ma-dismiss, no? Itong articles of impeachment laban sa kanya. But kung ano man ang mangyari, handa naman kaming depensahan ng ating Vice Presidente. So with that, I think I just want to make this as informal as possible. Hindi naman to formal press con. So siguro po kung meron kayong mga tanong, pwede niyo po na kaming tanungin. Susubukan namin sagutin.
Gusto na po si Vice President Sara?
Okay naman po siya. Business as usual lang po parati ang ating Vice Presidente. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yung trabaho niya. Kaya nga niya binuo itong legal team ng maaga para masigurado siya dahil alam naman natin, in-anticipate na natin itong impeachment laban sa kanya. In fact, meron ng first round last year. So talagang binuo na niya itong defense team. Nang sa ganun, no, kahit may impeachment, ay hindi po na-hamper, no, o hindi natitigil yung trabaho ng ating Vice President.
Attorney, pag-aari po ng sagot dito sa Senate impeachment or yung naging role ng Vice President, tinulukan po ba niya bawat sa dito, kasama kayo ng discussion?
Definitely po, definitely. Ang isang answer naman, kami naman po ay mga abogado lamang, no? So kung ano man ang isusulat namin doon, dapat talaga ay nanggagaling sa Vice Presidente, lalong-lalo na, diba, na pinasa talaga niya yung aming answer. At siya nagpapatunay na lahat ng nakasulat doon ay nakasaad ng mga depensa para sa kanya. Ngayon po, siguro take ko na rin yung opportunity, no, to thank, of course, the Senate. Napaka-smooth po ng pagpasok namin dito. Wala pong kaguluhan. We'd like to thank the media also for cooperating. So I just wanted to take the opportunity on behalf of the defense team and of course on behalf of the Vice President to also thank the Senate po, no? Kasi naging napaka-orderly itong pagpapile namin ng ating answer.
So, hindi po ba po kanina ng answer ay kasi hindi nagpapasakot po kayo ang behalf ng Vice President dinatanggap po
Well, that is without prejudice, of course, doon sa ating Supreme Court petition. Hindi naman po kasi incompatible yan. No? Maaari namang, sa ngayon, alam naman natin, hindi naman naglabas ng TRO, for example, ng Supreme Court, talaga namang maaari magpatuloy itong proceedings. At kami naman po ay magpa-participate. But again, our participation is without prejudice doon sa mga constitutional infirmities na nakita natin at kaya tayo naghain ng petisyon sa Supreme Court.
Summary, sir, pwede malaman ng summary mo?
Actually, ang summary po ng answer namin is we really just set forth, yung nasabi ko nga kanina, yung defenses ng Vice President, yung nakita nating mga infirmities kahit dun sa naganap na Committee on Justice Proceedings, no? Isa na dyan, syempre, yung sinasabi natin na wala namang ebidensyang attach sa mga impeachment complaints at yung mga ebidensya umano na inilabas ay inilabas lamang o nakalap lamang doon sa committee proceedings after we have already filed our answer before the Committee on Justice. Ito yung mga bagay na nire-raise namin, no, sa aming answer. At maliban doon, in-address din namin, no, yung bawat article yung mga allegations sa bawat article, in-address din namin yan sa aming sagot. Ako naman po ay magbibigay po on behalf of the defense team ng siguro executive summary sa ating mga kasamaan sa media. Dahil alam namin na gusto niyo pong malaman man lang kahit in broad strokes kung ano yung laman ng answer. It's just that, of course, we don't want to litigate our case through the media. So, and yun nga po, no, meron tayong rules on prohibiting us from discussing the merits publicly. So magbibigay lang po kami ng executive summary sa inyo para may magamit naman po kayo na material at makita niyo naman po kung ano yung basically the gist ng naging sagot.
Ang binigay ng pinasaloan siya.
It's, well, the nomenclature is it's an answer, but obviously our answer is being filed without prejudice dun sa aming Supreme Court petition.
Kasama po ito kami meron kasamang me para i-dismiss yun.
Yes, of course, it's always going to be one of our prayers, no? Dahil nga sa tingin namin, naging infirm yung may mga infirmities yung proceedings bago pa umakyat sa Senado itong articles of impeachment. But having said that, sabi ko nga, maliban doon, sumagot din kami on the substantive issues.
Dapat hindi sana suwalan sa tayo.
Of course, kaya po kami nandito dahil yun nga, parating sinasabi kailan naharap si VP, but I think we have to contextualize yung pagharap. The fact that we filed an answer now, kung hinaharap na ni VP, no, itong mga paratang laban sa
Ano na lang pa-wait mo kasi baka gamitin
Oh, well, the documents, dumami lang po yun dahil syempre meron tayong mga annexes, no, mga attachments doon sa ating answer, kaya po marami yun. But the answer itself is around 50 pages, no? Kasama na dyan yung signature pages. So, nasa ganun lang po yung answer natin. But baka kasi magulat kayo, medyo nakamaleta nga. But that's because marami lang po talaga mga annexes. Copies, we had to give 5 copies as required by the impeachment court.
Ito may mga maleta or documents lahat.
Documents po, documents. Although wala na pong laman yan dahil na-file na po namin, no, yung ating answer.
Gusto yung clarify lang para malinaw, doon po sa answer ng pinatuloy, nandun na yung plea for the dismissal.
Yes, that's one of the prayers, no, sa answer namin na sinasabi namin meron ngang infirmities yung naging proceedings. That's why we feel that it warrants dismissal. Also, we have raised our objections on the alleged pieces of evidence, no, against the Vice President by the way that sinasabi nga natin, and we have to reiterate, yung mga pieces of evidence na yan na hindi naman naka-attach sa original complaints. And itong mga pieces of evidence na to ay nakalap lang, no, noong ongoing yung proceedings ng Committee on Justice and after we have filed an answer. So to us, you know, this goes into basic tenets of due process.
Magkakabit po ba personally?
Kung kinakailangan, sa ngayon, you know, we don't really want to box ourselves in kung kailan, diba? Kasi parating yan yung tanong. But kung kinakailangan naman po, we'll have to see, that will have to be determined, no, to have on the developments of the proceedings.
Ano yung pinag-concern sir na ebidensya na nakahanap lang sa committee na tas nilabas natin ng
Well, actually lahat. Lahat ng mga lumabas na, I'm sure you were following the hearings, no? So, AMLAC reports, for example, lahat yan, no? Wala naman yan sa hindi yan naka-attach sa original impeachment complaints.
something prayer to dismiss a case. What other prayers?
Pero ulitin, tapusin ko na itong
Well, we raised an opposition in our objections basically on on the admissibility of pieces of evidence. No? So, but we'll see. We'll see. Siyempre, ang ultimate prayer talaga namin ma-dismiss ang articles of impeachment. Tayo po kasi ay depensa, so tayo ay maghihintay muna. Of course, we have witnesses in mind, but as to the details, hintayin muna natin kasi ang burden of evidence dito ay nasa prosecution, no? So once they present their evidence, doon natin ma-determine kung ano ba yung kailangan nating i-presenta to rebut whatever they present.
Are you convinced that the President will not be guilty in the verdict based on your study?
The Vice President po, the Vice President. Well, we are confident.
It's more the proceedings that you are questioning.
Well, not just the proceedings, ma'am. We question the proceedings, but we also as part of our answer, talagang sinagot din natin yung substantive part, meaning the allegations themselves, no, the 4 articles of impeachment.
Attorney, what specific needs are you asking for from the impeachment?
As I said, ultimately, syempre, dismissal po no, ng articles of impeachment. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa proceedings, and we will participate, and definitely we will abide by what is constitutionally permissible in the constitutional processes laid out.
Attorney, sa pagkara po ni Vicky, ano yung mga kailangan sa ito? Sabi niyo po kung kinakailangan.
Yeah, hintayin lang po natin yung development ng proceedings, no? No, it's not really the summons. It depends kasi kung ano yung takbo ng proceedings. I cannot tell you exactly kung ano yun, but tingnan muna natin paano tumakbo yung proceedings.
Attorney, what is yung calendar?
Nakita ko, I don't know if that's official. May nakita lang ako sa SOCMED yata kanina. I don't know if that's official, but whatever is the official calendar, we will just abide by the calendar.
Pero pwede din pa sa mga senator natin sa Republic of
Of course, alam nyo, parati kong sinasabi, parati namin sinasabi sa defense team, we should always give the senator judges the benefit of the doubt. No? Although we have to admit, and we're not naive to the fact that impeachment is both a political and a legal process, we believe in political neutrality of the senator judges. So, kung meron mang partiality, huwag po muna natin kumbaga bigyan ng badge of any partiality ang kahit sinong senador, mapa pro or anti, hindi ba? We have to give the senator judges the benefit of the doubt, and we submit to whatever happens in the